How to get missing Safari on iPhone and fix it. Guys, you want to use Safari on your iPhone and you don't get it here. Tap on it for a few seconds on the iPhone until it starts jiggling like this. Go ahead and tap on this button. These three dots, tap on it. Then make sure that all these home screen are selected. If it's not selected, make sure all is selected and tap on done. Then tap back and search for Safari here, and if it's not there, then let's try tap on search button here, tap on Safari. Maybe Safari will come out from the option we have here. Now that Safari is not popping up here, maybe Safari is restricted on your device. How do you get that? Now go to the settings here first and look at the hidden apps. Tap and load for a few seconds to have access to the hidden apps on your device. So on the indie section of our app, Safari is not here. Maybe Safari is restricted on your device. Let's go ahead and fix it. Tap on settings on your iPhone. Now from here, scroll up until you get to screen time. Tap on it. Now scroll up again until you get to content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Now make sure that this content and privacy restriction button is toggled on. Now go ahead and tap on allow apps and feature. Tap on it. Now you can see that from the list of apps here, Safari is blocked or restricted. Tap on it again to on it. Then you need to provide your screen time passcode if you have anyone. Let me provide this one that has been added, and let's go back and see. You see that Safari has been restored here, guys. This is the process, guys, on how to restore Safari on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.